So you wanna be a wedding photographer. These are the things that you need to know. First, always shoot raw. And always bring a backup camera and lens and pants and shirt in the trunk of your car. Unless you don't have a car, and that's okay. Just be careful when you're eating your 7-Eleven hot dogs before the wedding. Maybe don't put too much ketchup and mustard on. And I think it's important to mention that unless you're Sam Hurd, please don't eat Taco Bell for lunch on the wedding day. Now another thing to consider is that you can rent gear if you don't have the money to buy it because you're poor. But it's not your fault because you were abandoned as a child in Outback Steakhouse in Ohio. Now another thing you wanna know if it's your first wedding is you can get a shot list in the link in the description, so you don't miss anything. But even with a shot list, keep your eyes open. Otherwise, you might get abandoned again at an Outback Steakhouse in Ohio. Not even the good part of Ohio, or a good Outback Steakhouse. The fryers aren't up to temp, so the bloomin' onion tastes bad and wet. And there's nothing worse than a wet bloomin' onion. Now the most important part of being a wedding photographer is you don't wanna be a wiener. Be a fun person, a nice person to be around on the wedding day. On the wedding day. Otherwise you might get left at an Outback Steakhouse in Ohio. Not even the good part of Ohio. Not even a good Outback Steakhouse, where the fryer's not up to temp, and the cheese fries don't taste good either. As you can probably hear, I'm kind of dealing with something right now. I'm working with a therapist. It's gonna be all good.